So here we are going to assess what are the economics of growing the Napier grass, so that the entrepreneur is not very much like no uncertain about the raw material. At least he needs some certainty. That's why I have used the word sleep with peace, because the sales side there is some good level of stability is coming, but on the raw material side we are ready to go. We can go to next slide. So on the statistics level, sir, next slide please. On the statistic level, we see that millions of, let us say, tons of cow dung or things are available. But if you visually look at it, all this cow dung is probably scattered. Every 100 meter, there will be 200 grams of cow dung. So that is the thing. So I have taken the cultivation cost of the grass to dwell our numbers. I have taken a 225 acre of land, which is suitable for about 6 tons of gas output. Then I have taken the minimum of 120 average and maximum 180. So average is 150. So for when we do this, it will produce 16 of grass. Then there is a 20,000, which is the lease cost. Even though it is own land, we have to calculate the lease, or if it is somebody else's land, 20,000 rupees, the lands are available, especially a lot of empty lands. There is a urban migration. Because of that, there are farmers who are aged like 55, 60. Those people don't want to get into very hard kind of toiling in the agricultural land. So they are also looking for an easier crop. So at 20,000, lease land also is available, or even if we take our own land, we have to calculate some lease amount for that. 225 acre and all, in the agricultural terms, it is not a very big number. We, the urban dwellers, our mind has got piloted to the square feet basis of talking. So that is the reason 200 acre or 500 acre is not very big number. Within two, 3 villages, we are seeing that this can be gathered. Now, giving this 20,000 for 225 acre, every year it is coming to around 45 lakh. That is the lease amount. Then this land probably may not have any kind of irrigation. So we will have to do the borewell or the channel or whatever irrigation, piping, everything. So irrigation equipment cost will come 157. So that comes to around 70,000 rupees per acre is what I'm calculating. Not calculating, that is the reality. And there is initial sowing cost. We have seen that at least 7 to 8 years, this does not need any replantation. It is a grass. So grass can keep on growing. Like in the grasslands of the world, probably from millions of years, the same grass is coming. So grass do not have that what you call no single crop, double crop kind of system requirement. It will keep on coming. Then there are tractors, which is for the transportation of the grass. So total fixed cost to generate 225 acre of catchment land of Napier grass would come to 269. So I would say around 1,20,000 or 1,30,000 rupees per acre of Napier grassland. Once this is cultivated, 20 acre can be managed by one person, because there is no pesticide, there is nothing. It is only the watering the crop every morning or whatever the time. So 20 acre can be easily managed by one person. So we need 11 people, and the daily wage, most of the places like Rajasthan, it is lower. In Punjab, it's higher. So I have taken 400 rupees. Then there is a harvester fuel, which is 30 liter for this, because daily 6 ton means you will have to harvest probably 3 acres of land throughout the year. So 30 liter diesel will go every day. Then there is electricity for irrigation. And there is average transport distance 20. Yeah, it can be more also, but logistically it will become a challenge. So it is better to have 15 to 20 kilometer radius, all the farmlands. Then cost per trip for the tractor is 600 rupees. And when we take all these numbers, divide it by the yield. You get 133 rupees for the land and so on. And the standing crop, cost of the standing crop is 230 rupees, not more than that. Then we are adding the transportation, harvesting, and those things. So then it is coming to 233 rupees is coming from the land rent and those kind of things. The basic green crop is 230 rupees is the real cost. On this, of course, if you go for contract farming, you can add another 400 rupees or so as a profit. So this is the economics basically of the Napier. So annually, the raw material cost for 6-ton plant would come to around 254 means 2 crore 50, 2 crore 54 lakh rupees. So that is the number which is the raw material cost for a 6-ton. So this is what. Then coming, since we are talking supply chain, it needs modified tractors with trolleys which can carry at least 5 ton. So we have to heighten the tractor trolleys to accommodate more of Napier grass. Bulk density is the challenge. Secondly, it has to be harvested and chopped to around 1 inch or something in the field itself, so that bulk density will get reduced and we will be able to transport. Secondly, for the harvester, it needs a specific Napier harvester, because what we have in market is designed for maize actually. Maize is cultivated like single row and double row. Each blade has to take only 10 to 12 stems in each cut. Whereas in Napier grass, it is a very high density farming. So each blade will have to cut more than 22 stems per stroke. So it needs a very sturdy and very specifically built for Napier kind of harvester. So all these equipments, it took us about 3.5 4 years to face just that kind of challenge and solve it. So today we are in the market with entire supply chain. We start from growing Napier grass till sales. Even if OMC is not able to sell, we have a capability to convert the diesel generators, tractors to dual fuel, and the boilers, furnaces to dual fuel or CBG based or CNG based kind of thing.